But before we get into that, based on what you said, violate the rights of people, I think that's a very powerful point, because a lot of people in America, and especially Muslims here in America, in the United States of America, they really don't know that they got that freedom of religion, and it's their rights. Freedom of religion is their rights. Freedom of speech is their legal rights here in the United States of America. That's according to the Constitution. It is so interesting that many people, because they're a minority, they think that they don't have a voice. They are shy because of their religion, and they are scared to say or pronounce and be vocal on issues that are very important for the society, for the community. And here is where Cair comes in so very effective. The Constitution of the United States of America, the rights of people, two very powerful things that is well known in America is freedom of speech and freedom of religion. This is what the founding fathers of the United States of America, they established that. They stood for that. They fought for that. And unfortunately, today a lot of people don't even know they have that right. So you made a good point there, Brother Wilfredo, that Cair, one of the mission of Cair is to enforce the rights of people, enforce that people know their rights, and people's rights are protected here in the United States of America. And here you all as attorneys, you're as an attorney, Brother Brother Omar as an attorney, this is your guys' job there at Cair to be able to serve the people. Well, that is fantastic, phenomenal. I really, really appreciate it, and I wanted to just repeat that once more so our viewers can better understand out there. So let us go on a short break.